Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Slack AI to recap what you've missed. If you've come back to Slack after being away and want a quick overview of a conversation, Slack AI can help summarize what happened so you do not have to scroll through every message manually. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to find that option and what to expect when you use it. To begin, open Slack and go to your workspace. Once you're inside Slack, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where your conversations are organized. This is where you'll find channels, apps, and direct messages. Next, look specifically for the direct messages section. This area contains your one-on-one conversations and small private chats. If your sidebar is crowded, take a moment to scan carefully so you do not miss it. From there, select the sample message or the direct message conversation you want to review. Opening the conversation is important because Slack AI needs to be inside the chat you want summarized. Once selected, the message thread will appear in the main part of the screen. Now move your focus to the top right corner of the conversation window. You're looking for the three-dot menu, which is often used in Slack to reveal more actions and settings. This menu can be easy to overlook, so pause for a second and make sure you've found the correct icon. When you see the three dots, click on them. This will open a drop-down menu with additional options related to the conversation. In that menu, look for the option labeled Summarize Conversation and click it. This is the Slack AI feature that creates a recap of the discussion, helping you catch up more quickly. It can be especially useful if you've missed several messages and just need the highlights before responding. At this point, keep in mind that this feature requires a Pro plan. If you do not have the right Slack plan enabled for your workspace, you may not be able to use the summary feature. So if the option is unavailable or restricted, that is likely the reason. And that's the process for using Slack AI to recap what you've missed in a direct message conversation. Once you know where the feature lives, it becomes a fast and convenient way to stay informed without reading every message one by one.